Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Haga sian jam ka bakongsan ka batmu nak benta ka jing ajing shakri ha ka liam ka kwat ka khya ha padeng ki khalung Khynnah hapo ka district ka mission smile ha ka jing trilang bat ka rashtriya bal swasthya karyakram ka sarkar meghalaya bat ka Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Juwai ha ka sian ka baningkong ka Pynlong hi ka jing ajing sumar bat ka Jingpuid ya ki Khynnah ki bakat Shyntur cleft lip and palate hapo West Jaiñtia Hills khnang bakin yo apat dia ka dur ka bahabriu Hagani Jingsumar bala Pynlong hapo Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Juwai nadu ka shphodrik hadu ka khalaitrik naiwing kila don baro hadu life wengut ki Khynnah na West but East Jaiñtia Hills ki bala le ka cleft lip but palate surgery na pedeng kini ki life wengut ki Khynnah ki bale ka surgery khandai ngut ki dei ki bala le ka cleft lip but khat saw ngut ki cleft palate na po West Jaiñtia Hills kat bana East Jaiñtia la le ki arngut cleft lip but handungut ki cleft palate u Dr. D Malakar operation head of mission smile Guwahati ulapan pau ka jingtrei ka baya jalan bha jongka smile mission ulak dawru ka jingtrei jongka smile mission ka blasdang ha ka thanj tila mingi ha kisnam arjar khandai arjar shpo hadian ba ka seng kale soi ya ka memorandum of understanding bat ka sarkar Assam ha usnam arjar shpo bat hadian ba ka sarkar Meghalaya ha usnam arjar khatlai bat nadu ani ka por ka seng kale Pynlong ka Jingsumar bat jingle surgery ai nak benda ki Khynnah ka ling ka than ulong ba kini kisnam ki bala no commission ka Pynlong ya bun tali ki kam ha Meghalaya kanthop ha Shillong Civil Hospital bat Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong u Dr. Malakar ulakdo ba ka kinhun menta ka thmu ban panyar shu ya ka jingai lenti jongka dak ba shim ya ka rukom ban le chishnong ki thau ki badan ha ki than ki ba paji ban ithu ya ka bun kini ki jat nongpang lemkumta kindu ai yikila Jingsumar.
See, Mission Smile is a medical charity. We do cleft lip, cleft palate surgeries across India. So we have been doing cleft surgeries in Northeast and since 2009-10, and we have started our program in Assam, Guwahati, and we have signed a MOU with the Assam government in 2010. So I'm just saying about the history, otherwise you will not get this particular day's point. So in 2013 we have signed a MOU with the Meghalaya government. Since then we have been doing cleft surgeries for the people of Meghalaya. We have doing camp in Shillong Civil Hospital. We have done 2-3 camps in Ganesh Das Hospital as well. And actually we would like to go to the door-to-door kind of service. So we would like to go to the root of the cause, and we would like to go to find out the patient from the remotest village of this part of the region. So as you know, when you get a cleft patients and their parents are not sure what to do. Okay, so luckily in 2014 I think government of India, they have launched this Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram, and under their initiative they have been doing lots of field activities. They have started lots of field activities, and they have identified lots of cases, not only cleft cases, various other cases as well. Since then, they have been referring these cleft patients from Meghalaya, they have been referring it to Mission Smile Guwahati office. Okay, so we are doing regular surgeries of these cleft cases. So at the same time, we are getting requests from RBSK Meghalaya, especially Dr. Handaga shooting from Jaiñtia Hills, who've been working earlier in East Jaiñtia Hills, now in West Jaiñtia Hills, and she is taking special initiative to organize this camp. So this camp actually would have been not possible without the support of this hospital. This hospital, actually Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital, actually we came here 6 months before probably, and we saw this hospital. The very first day when we come to see this hospital, we found it's an absolutely fantastic hospital. It's a beautiful hospital, all facilities are right here, beautiful stuff, everything is there. Only thing is that I think they are actually whatever the services they are offering, it's not going to public. Okay, public have less awareness about this hospital probably in these reasons. So I from Mission Smile and actually with the support RBSA take the this opportunity. I think why should not we get this opportunity? we have decided to go and decided to come here and organize this camp. So this is the background of coming back to this Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital, where we are our that is goal is to give smiles to the baby who born with cleft deformities. We are transforming their life. We are giving happiness to their family, and this happiness is not possible only through surgery. There is lots of like efforts required, and these efforts you can't give by one person or one organization. There is you need good partnerships. So we all three together, like Government of Meghalaya or RBSK, then Dr. Narbang Talent Hospital, and Mission Smile. We all try together and we try to give the smiles to our babies who is like crying at their home. We're desperately waiting for these like days to where they can get the opportunity to have these free surgeries. One thing I would like to say here, this surgery is absolutely free to the patient. This patient, they need not have to pay a single penny for their surgeries. We are providing it free of cost, and this RBSK, they are actually helping and loss. Like they are actually getting their free transportation, they are like food, accommodation, so many things. And you getting a hospital at such a like free of cost type of thing is not easy. And I'm thankful to Dr.